The first thing I'm going to do today is open the hood. Press the lever down here to release the hood. Place the latch here to keep the hood up. The location of the PCV valve is right here. First, you're going to need to take off the hose, and a flathead screwdriver will be useful. I'm going to use a long socket to remove the PCV valve, and the size of this socket is a 9/16. And just remember, to loosen the valve, you will need to turn it counterclockwise. And here in my hand is the new PCV valve. The part number for the Durlast brand is Pcv1171DL. If you take the valve and give it a shake, the rattling is normal. And here you could see I made some marking on the stick. And if you were to push it inside the valve, the spring inside should push it right back out. And here is the old valve. As you can see, there's no rattling, but the spring does seem to be working. While the car is running on idle, I'm going to test to see if the hose is clogged. The vehicle is running rough, that means the hose is good. It's always a good idea to hand tighten anything before you use a wrench or a ratchet. I have checked the shop manual and there is no torque spec for this valve, so I'm just going to tighten it until it's nice and snug. And don't forget to plug the hose back on. And before I close the hood, I'm going to check to see if the car is operating correctly. There is no rough idle or funny noise, so the repair is good. And now I can go ahead and close the hood. Click the like button if you found this video useful, and subscribe for future update. And again, thanks for watching.